Hey, good morning, folks. MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here with the MLive Morning Weather Update. And my headline there says it all. You can see the corridor of severe weather angled from northwest to southeast, but south and southwest of Michigan. So this is today's expected area of severe weather, where they're expecting basically a wind burst. Probably could be close to be called derecho. I feel like we need an exact definition here in meteorology on that, as people are understanding the concept, and we want to know derecho or not derecho. But looks like something starts in Nebraska or Iowa and peels southeast. I'll show that to you on the radar forecast in just a minute. Then we go to day 2. That will be tomorrow, and the severe weather expected to be off to the west. Then we go to Thursday morning into Friday morning, and severe weather just to our south. So that is, almost like the slide, I guess you'd say, of storms from that direction. So as the ridge builds back up next week, we will probably have one of those batches heading toward us. So here's the current radar. We had some pretty good rains overnight. Told you so. It really blossomed, and some places over an inch, a lot of places over an inch of rain, and most places over a half inch of rain. So a good rain. This time of the year, even if you feel like you're wet, it's good to have a rain. Okay, so radar forecast then. And thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update, brought to you by Consumers Energy. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. So I've got the wider perspective here for you because it gives you that track idea of the storms. Today, I would say spotty showers in the thumb, maybe the north side of Detroit, maybe northeast of Detroit toward Port Huron, and there could be a quick little thunder shower, a 15-minute one in there. Hey, let's say hi to some folks. Aaron Purdy, good morning. Brooke DeBolt, thanks for watching. Dawn Robinson Peterson, hello. And Joshua Jones, good morning to you. And Gerald Haley Jr., also thanks for watching. Okay, so mostly dry today. And you could see this line of severe storms there this afternoon through southern Illinois, so we don't have to worry about that one. Here's tomorrow's, a little bit closer, but we don't have to worry about that one either. Everything kind of indicates that over the Saginaw Valley, Saginaw Bay area, we could see some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon in the heat, tomorrow evening, I should say, in the heat of the instability. Here's the next line of severe storms. Same deal. From Iowa into Illinois, moving southeast. But you get a feel. This is by 8 a.m. Thursday. And what you get there is a feel that we're starting to have an area of rain head toward us. And it looks like that comes in on Friday. So this is a model that does about the same thing. There's your track of a storm today. There's your track of a storm tonight. It's a little bit farther to the north, but not into our area. And there's your scattered thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon. Now, this is a little bit different of a look than the high-resolution rapid refresh I just showed you. This one has a little bit bigger of some storms in the southern part of the state. Point is, we're in instability, so we can have unorganized areas of thunderstorms, I guess I would say, develop. But the main area of rain doesn't come in probably until Friday. So now we pick up with the European model, and this is what it does Wednesday afternoon and evening. Also, same kind of area, Saginaw Bay, eastern lower scattered thunderstorms. Thursday, dry. Friday, the complex of severe storms. You can see it right there. Wisconsin into southwest Michigan, into southern Michigan, and then off to the south and east. We stay warm, and then you'll notice that next week as the jet stream shifts back to the north or the storm track, we may get into one of those severe storm complexes. So it's a very active pattern right now, but fortunately the action is missing us to the south. I'm going to call it steamy hot. I think we can call 90 hot at this time of the year, especially if you get high humidity. Now, we won't be 90 today because of all the low clouds around, but we'll be steamy and in the mid to upper 80s. And tomorrow we could have 90 or 91 in a lot of places, high humidity. And Thursday could be 88 to 93, and Friday 88 to 93 depending on where the clouds are, and Saturday 88 to 93, and Sunday 88 to 93, and Monday a little cooler, Tuesday back to the 90s. When's the next cold front? When does the humidity break? It looks like it would happen sometime late next week. So we've got probably 7 to 9 days of high humidity. Hey, Kathleen Loveland, thanks for checking in from Muskegon. Nice city, nice shoreline there. Kind of a mirror image of where I grew up on the north side of Chicago on Lake Michigan. Good morning, Tina Myers and Jenny Goodman. So there's your MLive morning weather update brought to you by Consumers Energy. We are going to remain fairly quiet on storms compared to what we have just to our south and west. But the storm track is still there, so I'm wondering if we get into another week or two of severe weather as we head into August. We'll keep an eye on that. For now, get the swim trunks out, get the kids to the beach or to the pool, or hose them down, because this is the time of the year to do that. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.